Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful mousse cake with rice. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to preparing the unique rice base. You'll learn to whip up a light and airy mousse, and finally, how to assemble and chill your beautiful dessert. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this surprisingly easy and elegant treat that offers a wonderful texture and subtle flavor. First, let's prepare our unique rice base. You'll need to cook about 1 cup of short-grain rice until it's incredibly soft, almost mushy. Once cooled slightly, blend this cooked rice with 1/2 cup of your preferred milk until smooth. For a touch of sweetness, incorporate 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This creates a creamy, slightly textured foundation that will give our mousse cake its distinctive character and delightful mouthfeel. Now for the star of the show, the mousse itself. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of very cold heavy cream until it forms beautiful, stiff peaks. Gently fold in about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, ensuring you maintain that airy volume. Finally, carefully incorporate your cooled rice mixture into the whipped cream. This step is crucial for achieving that light, cloud-like texture that makes mousse cake so irresistible and enjoyable. With your mousse ready, it's time for assembly. You can layer your rice mousse over a thin cake base, a crushed cookie crust, or even directly into individual serving glasses. Once assembled, the most important step is chilling. Place your cake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set perfectly. Before serving, garnish with fresh berries or a light dusting of cocoa powder for an elegant finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.